I took melatonin. Last time I took that shit, I was feeling pretty fucking hungover and weird the next day. That's okay, I'm gonna try it one more time. I just took one. So if I don't wake up tomorrow, you know what made it happen. Gute Nacht.